Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness? Man, tryna get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, now you tryna get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, why you tryna get involved? No, no, you were never about the squad. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. I hate the way you think we're friends. You must be crazy. I've been working till the day's end. Like, why you hating? I've been doing this for years straight. All 7 days, keep the practice till they fear Jay. That's on the way. Flow is mean, but I may seem nice. Illuminated by the glow of all these street lights. I've been dreaming miles up while taking these flights. Leaving ones who had my back just never seemed right. It's my fucking team, like I dot my eyes so no one will ever cross me. I'm getting checks like I'm in a game of hockey. She hold me down, at least one person has got me. I try to keep it humble, only face be acting cocky, yeah. And everything is going my way. Girl got the ass and she going my place. Rapping 603 and you know it's my state. Got some cash coming in, need to double my pay, ole. Why you all about my business? Yeah, I've been working hard, always